Question number 21, it says 11x minus 3 minus 2x squared equal to minus x squared plus 15. That is a question, and they have given us the value of, they want us to find the value of x. We will solve by the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus b square plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a under the square root. But we can also solve by factorization method. So to solve it with the factorization method, we put all in the format ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We combine all the x square terms. Minus 2x square, when it comes to this side, it becomes plus 2x square plus 2x square minus x square equals to x square. We bring minus 3 to the other side. Plus 15 minus 3 becomes plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. And then we have 11x. When it comes to this side, it will become minus 11x. So we have our quadratic equation. Now we find two numbers. Product is the first one's coefficient and the last number. Multiply them together. 18 and 1 gives us 18, and the sum is the middle coefficient minus 11. Give me two numbers. When I multiply them, I get 18. When I add them, I get minus 11. That's what it means. So two numbers are 2 and 9. 2 9s are 18, but 2 plus 9 gives us plus 11. So this number must have been minus 2 and minus 9. Minus 2 minus 9 gives us minus 11, which is what we need. And minus 2 into minus 9 minus minus plus 2 9s are 18 gives us plus 18. So our numbers are minus 2 and minus 9. Okay, the variation could have been 2 and 9 plus 2 comma minus 9 minus 2 comma plus 9 minus 2 and minus 9. In these cases, it would have given us a negative product. Plus into minus always gives us minus. Minus into plus always gives us minus. The only way to get a positive product is to have both same signs. So either plus 2 plus 9 or minus 2 minus 9 is minus 9. As I have discussed, we cannot do plus 2 plus 9 because our summation is minus 11 and not plus 11. Once we get our things, we just write it down. Minus 9x minus 2x plus 18 equals to 0. Group the common terms together. X minus 9. Here the common term is minus 2. Remember, both this bracket has to be same, otherwise we cannot combine them. So we take minus 2 as common. Minus 2 as common. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 9 is minus minus plus 18. X minus 9 is the common denominator. X minus 2 inside the bracket. X minus 9 inside the bracket. X minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 9 equals to 0. X minus 2, x equals to 2 from this one. X minus 9 equals to 0. X equals to 9. Now, very important, I have to show it in the calculator. Sometimes we don't have the whole numbers as our product sum. If we try to find, we will never find it. In that case, we need quadratic formula. This is very important. So what is a, b, and c? We must keep this in mind. The coefficient with x squared is a, the coefficient with x is b, and the constants is c. So we'll write it down what our coefficients, right? A equals to, b equals to, c equals to. And a is given as, a in our case is 1 because there is no coefficient, that means 1. B in our case is minus 11, and c in our case is 18. So 1 minus 11, 18. 1 minus 11 and 18. Now in your Casio 991 ES Plus, go to mode, go to 5, which is equation, and choose the quadratic equation. Look, the first one is ax, not x squared. So this is linear. This is also ax in 3 variables, a variable, b variable, c variable. So we don't need this as well. We need ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is what we need, ax squared plus bx plus c. That means we have single variable, and in highest power is 2, not highest power is 3. That's a cubic equation. We need this one. So we choose 3. And look, they're asking ABC. One more time, mode, 5 and 3. But remember, unlike linear equation where our constant should be on the other side of the equation, for our quadratic equation, the constant is on the left side of the equation and the other side should be equals to 0. It is very important that the other side equals to 0. Just like our case, that's why we shifted these things over that side as well, so that we get equals to 0. We must get equals to 0 in quadratic equation. Arrange such that one side is empty, right? One side is empty. We choose number 3. Our a, as we have written down, is 1, b is 11, c is 18. 1 minus 11, oops, equal, and 18, c is 18. Okay, once we have written down the values, press equals, and you'll get x equals to 9, x1, and that means one value of x should be 9, another value of x should be 2, as we have got in our manual method.